Hello everyone. In this video I will show you that how can you enable sensitive content warning on your iPhone. So it's a new feature and it is only available in iOS 17. So make sure you have already updated to iOS 17. All you have to do is just open settings app and here scroll down and find privacy and security. Here it is. Tap on it. Now you have to again scroll down and tap sensitive content warning. Now tap the switch next to the sensitive content warning to enable the feature, and this feature protects you from harmful content coming through to your device. It allows you to choose to receive warning about photos or videos that may contain nudity before viewing them. So you can enable these applications like AirDrop or Contacts, any of them. And this is how you can enable the sensitive content warning on your iOS 17. Thank you everyone.